This is a great way to just start getting in conversations right away. All right, let's go ahead and watch. All right, so first you can head over to your Instagram stories or wherever you post stories. And the first story, we can just make a poll, and we're just going to ask, we're going to go find the poll. Here's the poll. And we are going to ask, are you living in your dream home? Question mark, yes or no. Okay. And then the next one, we're going to do another poll. And we are just going to ask, have you or are you thinking about selling in the next 6 months to year? Are you thinking about selling in the next 6 to 12 months, right? And then go ahead and share that. And the strategy here is to simply reach out, DM the people that say yes to your second story. All right, so as you saw, this is a success with story marketing for real estate agents specifically. This is a 2-story post strategy. So I call it, so it's the poll direct message strategy. And I'm just going to read it through here again, although I did just show it. It's great if you've completed the content challenge while running ads to grow your audience. Those are those engagement ads that I trained previously. And especially if you did the 90-day content challenge plus the ads, great. But if you just did the content challenge, still amazing. It's just you're reaching a wider audience. Now you can post on your personal or business page or any other platform with stories. The strategy post for the 2-story polls is this. Story 1, create your story. Like I previously showed, create a story with a home in the background or interior photos that are extremely nice, but add a poll to your story asking, are you living in your dream home? The poll will have a yes or no for followers to click yes or no. And then story 2, create a story with a different luxury photo of a home, interior or exterior. It doesn't matter, but add the poll question, are you thinking of selling over the next 6 to 12 months? Now, I would always DM or direct message the people that are wanting to sell from story poll 2. Now, this will get you right in front of your prospects. Adding the strategy to your marketing routines will make a difference throughout the year. I'm telling you guys, utilize this, use this as much as you can. All right, guys, welcome back to part 2. And in this one, we are going to go through how you can create a years of content in less than a month. Yes, I have an exact strategy and blueprint for this and for you. And with that being said, we can jump right into the video first, and then we will go with types of content, quarterly planning, and the funnel. Oh my gosh, how many people in business are stuck in the bottom part of the funnel, creating too much sales content and not thinking about their customer journeys, ultimately resulting in less sales for the year. Now, let's get it. With less than 1 month of consistency, exactly about 24 days, following this system, you can have your content done to post morning, noon, and night for the whole year. Now, we're not going to go that hard. We are just going to do a 90-day content challenge to give you an idea how easy it is that you can absolutely make a bunch of content in a short amount of time. With these methods, this is an all-out challenge, making you emerge closer and closer to the authority in your niche every time you undergo the challenge. All right, welcome to the 90-day content challenge. Now, in this part, you will be tested. Now, what is the 90-day content challenge? Now, yes, it is a content challenge, and yes, it is a content plus ads challenge we have at 2 different frequencies. The 90-day content challenge can be thought of as this. Here's your 90-day content challenge plus running ads. That's one version. The other version is the 90-day content challenge and then just choosing your content frequency. Of course, I have it for walk, jog, run paces. And now the challenge has 3 modes for the content part. This is your walk, jog, and run. The leadership challenge 1 would be your walk. The authority challenge 2 would be your jog. And the boss challenge 3 would be your run. The leadership challenge 1, this is creating 90 pieces of content for reels and shorts. To get the most, we recommend that it be the reels and the shorts. Now, of course, can you switch it up? Sure. But if we're going to just do all reels and shorts, that's the strategy we have outlined for you. And just basically a nice background. This could be at your home, your office, your work, and shoot 10 videos, then use the next backdrop, shoot 10 more videos, then switch the backdrop again and shoot 10 more videos for a total of 30 short format videos. A nice clean wall works too. Do this for 3 days in a row until completion of 90 short format videos. This is how you can stay consistent every day for a whole quarter if you'd like. And if you'd like to repeat this, you could stay consistent for the whole year just by doing these simple actions. Now, we do have options for you when it comes to editing and all that if you don't have much time. All right, so let's get into just the content challenge, the authority challenge 2. Run ads as a combining with these for the 90 days. Now, the authority challenge 2, creating 180 pieces of content, short format videos and reels. We do want these about anywhere from 15 to 30 seconds, 15 to 45 seconds in length for each. Now, plan out, once again, 3 different backdrops or nice walls, set them up nicely like a YouTuber, like kind of like, not like you're being an influencer or something, but just like, you don't have to go this elaborate. If I wanted to shoot this all in my house, I would just change the backdrop of the walls and maybe move some stuff in there around. Your local, either Best Buy or Walmart has like really quick lighting solutions if you're just looking for some like a fill light or like a blue background to tuck behind some stuff. Now, this challenge 2 is having your 3 different backdrops, and this could be just in your house, just one room, different room, other room, this angle, right? And shooting 12 videos, then use the next backdrop. So it's 12 short format videos. We do recommend 60 frames per second, ultra high def. You would use the first backdrop, 12 videos, the next backdrop, 12 videos, next backdrop, 12 videos for a total of 36. Do this for 5 days in a row. That will accomplish your 180 short format videos. Now, don't worry, once again, when we get to the editing, I have options for you guys as well. The boss challenge 3. Remember to pair running ads for 90 days for the most crazy turnouts. Now, the boss challenge 3 is 270 pieces of content. This is posting morning, noon, and night. This is consistency like crazy, plus ads. Just think about the power of this, right? So once again, it's reels or shorts, whatever you want to call it. And then plan out 3 different backdrops or nice walls. Once again, now this one would be shoot 15 videos, change backdrops, shoot 15 videos, change backdrops. And you do that 3 different backdrops. So you do that 3 different times for a total of 36 short format videos. A nice clean wall works too. Now do this for 6 days in a row or until completion of shooting 270 short format videos that are all within 15 to about 45 seconds in length, all referencing your content cheat sheets, just looking at it and creating. So getting into this, guys, you will need to use your content cheat sheets. I just want to remind you of that. It is the best way to sit down, look at your topic, talk at the camera, and continue. Just by utilizing your content cheat sheets, when you're sitting there and you're going to create, you can look at it, next topic, match 2, next topic, match 2, next topic. These are the content cheat sheets you guys should have already created. Now, moving on, add social media ads for 90 days of consistency to any challenge to take it the most insane route ever. Now, what you'll need, now we can just use a phone, a tripod, and a ring light, or a tripod with a phone attachment and just some nice lighting. Make sure your face and shadows aren't really harsh on your face. Make sure you're well lit. So your first video you shoot, just look at it, make sure it looks nice, right? Now, execution, use your content cheat sheets. Like I said, combine with 151 content ideas for quick reference and shoot your videos 10 to 45 seconds. Now I said 15 to 45 seconds. So either way, in length, remember to change your background every 10 videos. That's like for the first video challenge. But to just change your background if you're doing challenge 1, then it's every 10 videos. Challenge 2, it's every 12. Challenge 3, it's every 15. For editing, you can follow my editing videos that I suggest for Adobe Premiere Pro, and then you can bring your video into CapCut if you really want those really nice pop-it caption editing. I teach you guys how to make those videos as well for the total pro look, or just drop the video in CapCut, make your edits and export. Do check the text spelling that it's popping up. Just remember to stay consistent with your brand colors and or brand voice and or, you're just overall who you are. Not enough time to edit? Don't worry. You can find a freelancer on Fiverr.com, literally set up a profile and look at people who edit videos for TikTok in bulk. Look at their portfolio to make sure that this is in alignment with you. Upwork is another one. Upwork.com. People that edits videos in bulk and post them to save time. Still want a cheaper method than hiring a freelancer? Yes, I don't blame you. You can use getmunch.com. Getmunch.com will allow you to select a package. For Getmunch, this is your AI-powered video editor at $49 a month for 100 uploaded minutes, 116 for 250, 220 for 500. You upload your videos, you check the spelling, and you just kind of check the text and all that. And then you can also link your social medias. This is the power of this, is that you can link your socials here. You can upload from the back end here. Yeah, that is going to be your fastest way around it. To control how you do it, make sure you shoot every video as least arms as possible, stare at the camera, and just get out your idea in 10 to 45 seconds. Next video, and yeah. So Getmunch has a link for your social media accounts, like I said, so simple, so you can do push posting, which is achievable, which makes this whole challenge like very easy to do. I do want to challenge you to become the authority because you can sit down within 6 days, have enough content for a whole quarter to post morning, noon, and night. But guys, like I was saying, 24 days or less than a month of just grinding this out, you can achieve content for the year. Just take into consideration the different seasons you guys are in and the holidays that you celebrate, so you can create around those as well, get those vibes included. But with that being said, I want you guys to share your content challenges. I want you to screenshot your followers before and after. Once again, here are the reasons to do the content challenge plus the ads. The content challenge just itself, 25 reasons below that. But I really want to see you guys step out there and dominate your industries.